Hi friends, so welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis on Wednesday. Let's come to the point. So finally, Nifty comes above 14,500. So for now, if it sustain above 14,500, then most likely it move for uptrend till 14,800 to 15,200. Otherwise, below 14,350, it will comes down for 13,800 to 14,200 reversal support zone. Let's come to Nifty chart. So finally, Nifty above 14,450 to 500. So for now, above 14,450 to 500, Nifty will try for 14,800 to 15,000 plus zone. Otherwise, below 14,350, it will comes down till 14,000 for reverse. Above 14,500, Nifty most likely try for 15,000 and 15,200 level. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed above 34,000 after reverse from correction. So for now, above 33,800 to 34,200, it will try to move for 35,000 and 35,500 zone. Otherwise, below 33,200, it will try to reverse from 32,000 again. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty above 34,000. So for now, above 33,800 to 34,200, most likely it will move for 35,000 plus zone. Otherwise, if it comes down below 33,800, then it will reverse from 32,800 to 33,200. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity for index future. That's are for Nifty future, there is a crucial resistance for Nifty future that 15,089. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances. That's are 14,889 and 14,965. There is a crucial support for Nifty future also, that 14,189. To achieve this support, there are two more supports. That's are 14,350 and 14,500, and both are reversal support. There is a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future also, that 35,500. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances. That's are 34,886 and 35,265. There is a crucial support for Bank Nifty future also, that 32,765. To achieve this support, there are two reversal supports. That's are 33,672 and 33,000. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading stocks with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustains above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustains below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Havells. That LTP is 1130. Its upper range is 1200 and lower range is 1080. So if it sustains above its midpoint, that 1125 with increases volume, then most likely it move for its upper range or upper resistance or higher resistance, that 1200. Same as if it sustains below its midpoint, that 1125 with increases volume, then most likely it will reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support, that 1080. And when it reverses from its lower range or lower reversal support, then midpoint act as its recent resistance to achieve. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. Red star mark stocks are more important for intraday trading. Havells, that LTP is 1130. IGL, that LTP is 554. Whirlpool, that LTP is 2616. Thermax, that LTP is 1028. Tata Steel, that LTP is 636. Kotak Bank, that LTP is 1861. Asian Paints, that LTP is 2463. Bharti Airtel, that LTP is 599. Godrej Property, that LTP is 1399. Infosys, that LTP is 1271. And Reliance, that LTP is 1925. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. If you have any kind of query about my channel, you can mail me on my mail ID, that trade.mathematics@gmail.com, or you join my Telegram channel, that link given below in video description. Thank you viewer, thank you very much.